Hi, I'm Rachel Austen, founder of Elle Paint by Number Kits. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of our component sourcing choices and talk a little bit about why it's important to us that our kits are made in the USA. Well, first of all, what does it actually mean that our kits are made in the USA? Yes, we do actually design, assemble, and ship them from our workshop here in Portland, Oregon. But what about all the components? Where are they made? Well, here at Elle we make a conscious effort to source as many American-made components as possible for our kits, and we're always working to source better and more sustainably. So for our kits, one of the most important components is our paint. The paint can make or break your experience. So we're really happy to provide you with great paint. It's got smooth and creamy viscosity and impressive coverage for acrylic. We source an array of bulk colors that are made in the USA and certified non-toxic, and then we mix them into our custom color palette of over 150 colors and counting. Many of them you see behind me on the beautiful display wall. After our paint is mixed, it's poured into plastic paint pots. The pots we source are actually made in the USA and BPA-free food-grade plastic. Because of their size and composition, they're not recyclable at the curb, but there may be a special recycler in your area that accepts them. If not, we do offer a paint pot recycling program through our website. So if you send them back to us, we'll work with our local recycling partner to keep them out of the landfill, and you'll get a coupon to use on your next purchase. Our canvas has always been printed locally, but until this year, the material itself was sourced abroad by our vendor. We were actually forced to make a happy discovery this year when supply chain issues made it difficult to get the canvas we normally used. As it turns out, there's a domestic canvas manufacturer that wasn't on our radar that makes a great cotton canvas product. The quality is just as good as what came from overseas, and now it doesn't have to travel as far to get to our printer for production. So why is made in the USA important to us? Well, it's a more sustainable choice. The components don't have to travel as far, and we're better able to ensure their quality. And we know that the people that made those components were treated fairly, and that's a big deal. We're always trying to make thoughtful choices and seeking to improve the quality and sustainability of our kits. Hey, thanks for coming behind the scenes with me for a peek at our component sourcing choices. If you found this interesting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below. And if you join our email list through our website, you'll receive exclusive subscriber-only coupons for our kits. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some painting tips coming your way next episode. So for our kits, one of the most important components is our paint. The paint can make or break your experience. Thanks for